Díoghaibh is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's talk about family. Here are two common words for family in Irish. They can both have different meanings. Chye-lukh, family, is used to refer to the family unit. It also means a household. Klawn means family in the sense of one's children. Now, two phrases using those words. Tá klawn, wohr, aici. She's a big family in the sense of she's a lot of children. Tá klawn, wohr, aici. Tá klawn, wohr, aici. Now, chye-lukh. Chye-lukh, graw-wur. Chye-lukh, graw-wur. A loving family. Chye-lukh, graw-wur. To learn more Irish like this, why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.